Hi everyone, and welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to add a PDF to Google Docs. So, let's get started. First, open your Google Doc. Then, open a new browser tab and go to Google Drive. Once you're in Google Drive, click on the New button in the top left corner and select File Upload. Now, choose the PDF file you want to add and click Open. Wait a few seconds for the upload to finish. After the file is uploaded, open it and click the Share button in the top right corner. If the PDF is not confidential, change the access setting to anyone with the link and then click Copy Link. If it's a private document, you can simply share it with specific people instead. Next, go back to your Google Doc and paste the copied link where you want the PDF to appear. Google Docs will automatically turn it into a clickable link, allowing anyone with access to open and view the PDF directly. And that's it. That's how you can easily add a PDF to Google Docs. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.